Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to open a TXT file. We're going to print out the contents and we're going to search the contents for a word, and then we'll simply print found or not found, and we're going to be using an error handler as well. So I've already got a TXT file on my desktop and I've put some content in it, and I've imported the time module here, which you'll need to import. First of all, I'm going to create, let's have a look, a path. So this is the variable path. This is going to be to my desktop. This is where the TXT file is. We're going to have to import the OS module as well. Okay, we'll simply do os.chdr to this path. So we're going to change to the desktop path. Now, this here is the desktop path to my computer. Oh, my computer, sorry. It's not the desktop path to your computer, so what you're going to have to do, you're going to have to change it and find your own unique desktop path, because if you simply type this in, you'll get an error. Okay, so here we go. So we're going to create the first function called search text. And we're going to do entry here. Assign it to input, so we're going to get some user input, and we're going to tell the user what we want. Enter file to open. So we're going to enter the full file name, and it's going to be a TXT, so it's going to be something like .txt, and we're going to start off with the exception handler here, using try with open. That's going to be entry, and we're going to give it the flag RB there, so the flag to read it as file object. Right, we're going to create another scalar variable called, not scalar variable, another variable called contents, and we're going to assign it to file object dot read, and then we're going to print out the contents. So we're going to search for the file, find the file, open the file, and print out the contents. And here we're going to do print, and we're going to do /n there, which will give us a new line. Okay. So now we're going to come down here and go to with. And we're going to create another variable called search text. We're going to assign it to input. So this is where we're going to input what we want to search for. We'll just simply type search word. So type the word in that you want to search for inside the file. Here we come to the conditional. So if search text dot encode. Now we've encoded the search word to bytes using encode. This method makes it compatible with the contents of the file. in contents. Okay, so now we're going to print out the results. I'm going to use the F string to format it, so that's going to be print. F string to format it. And then the search text. Not found. Okay, and then we're going to use the exception handler, and we're going to use file not found error. And then we're going to go down onto here and except file not found error. Oh dear, I've made a little bit of a boo-boo there. I should have done else. Well, that should have been else. And then file not found error. We're going to say print. I'm going to say something like sorry, file not found. Okay, that that should do it. All we got to do now is save it. I'm just going to zoom out a little bit. Well, actually I can't on this. Let me just zoom out a little bit on this. It's a bit awkward today for me. Let's go down to about 22 now. Okay, that's a little bit better. I can see that better now. Okay, so all we have to do now is call the program. Search text, cross our fingers, hopefully I've not made any typos or blunders along the way. Save it again, run the file, and before we do that, let's just go to the desktop. Okay, this is the file here called test, so this is what we're going to open here in a minute. So let's go back to that, let's run the program. Expected an indent block line 17. Okay guys, a couple of errors on here. First of all, should have put text found, so search text encode in the contents, search found. Okay, and then we're going to print this message out to the user, and then we're going to go on to an else, and this here should be here. Let's knock that out, and I'm going to do the accept bit here. Actually, we're going to go up a couple here. I think that should be about right there. Print. Sorry, not found. Right, let's save that. Let's run that again, and let's do a little print here. Print. F string. Search word. Search text. A bit of refactoring there. Okay, this should be okay. Save that, let's run it. Okay, let's enter a file to open. I think that file was called test.txt. Okay, searching for a word in here. Okay, so that's the text. Let's have a look. Here, let's search for that. Here, found. Okay, let's go and add some more stuff to it. Let's have a look. This is more text and yet more text. Let's save it, close it, and run it again. Okay, so that's going to be test.txt. Hit enter. Okay, let's have a look here. I'm going to search for yet. And there you go, yet found. So there you go, folkies. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.